Welcome to NASP Safety Bites, where we take a bite-sized look at a different safety topic in each video. Today, we're taking a bite out of confined space entry. A confined space is a space that is large enough for a worker to enter and perform tasks, but is not intended for continuous occupancy and has limited or restricted means for entry and exit. Confined spaces can be found in many different workplaces and can present a number of hazards to workers, including the risk of fire, explosion, entrapment, asphyxiation, and toxic chemical exposure. To protect workers from these hazards, employers are required to follow specific regulations for confined space entry. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration has established a standard for confined space entry, which requires employers to identify and evaluate the confined spaces present in the workplace and determine if they pose a hazard to workers. Establish and implement procedures for safely entering, exiting, and working in confined spaces, including the use of personal protective equipment and ventilation systems as needed. Train workers on the hazards associated with confined spaces and the proper procedures for entering and exiting them. Provide workers with the necessary equipment and tools to safely enter and work in confined spaces. Establish a system for monitoring and evaluating the conditions in confined spaces during entry and work activities, and provide a means for rescue from confined spaces. It is important for employers to take confined space entry seriously, as failure to comply with the standard can result in significant fines and legal action. Workers who enter confined spaces should be properly trained and equipped to do so safely, and should follow all established procedures to minimize the risk of accidents, injuries, and fatalities. If you have any further questions about this topic, or if there's a topic you'd like us to discuss, let us know in the comments section below. If you want to take a close look at this topic, we recommend signing up for the NASP course, Confined Space Entry Specialist. There's a link to this course in the video description. Stay safe, and we'll see you on the next NASP Safety Bite.